Okay guys, so now we're going to move on to the facial. I've already cleansed my face and wiped it dry. So now we're going to use the facial spa and we're going to move on to the lymph drainage. We're going to use the facial spa along with the body conductor head. And what you're going to do, this is the front of the facial spa, and you're going to put the body conductor onto this part of the front of the spa. There's a little clip in there, and you're going to take the little clip and you're going to clip it right onto the facial spa and make sure you hear it clip. So this is the front of the facial spa. This is the logo, and this is the back of the facial spa. This is the body conductor, and the galvanic current from the conductor requires you to use your own body's electricity to produce the galvanic current through the machine. And this has to be wet. So what I do is I take some cotton pads and I just place it onto the back of the current conductor right here, and I just leave it on there and it just sticks on there. That way I don't have to keep my hands wet. But if you want, you can just keep your hands wet. You can spray your hands with the NAPCA mist, or you can just wet your hands with water, whatever, however you feel like you want to do it. So then what we're going to do is we're going to use the body shaping gel for this. And what you do is you just open your body shaping gel and you apply it generously onto the body conductor head. And you're going to take it and you're just going to apply it onto your face. I don't have the facial spa on right now, so I'm just going to put this on my face. You don't have to get in your lips, sorry. And you apply it generously, because the more of this gel you use, the better it's going to be. Sorry, my cotton pads may be a little too wet right now, but it'll dry a little bit. It's leaking down my hands, and you want to get behind your ears as well. And then you just apply more when you need it. And you want to go down your neck as well. I might need to loosen this a little bit, because you're going to have to go down here, because this is one of your pressure points down here. Just make sure you have plenty enough of this gel. This is what you're going to need to use plenty of. Like I said, the more of this you use, the better. I'm just going to do one side of my face for demonstration reasons, and then I'll do the other side once I show you guys how it's done. Okay, that might be enough gel there. So first we're going to turn the machine on, and we're going to turn it on to number 4. So what you do is just keep pressing till it gets to 4. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. And that's already preset for 5 minutes. So then what you're going to do is you're going to put it on the first point, which is down here in your collarbone. And once it hits the skin, it's going to beep, because it has to be touching your skin, and your it has to be wet. So make sure you either have your hands wet or your and you have to do it pretty quick or it goes off automatically. And then once it's going to beep, and then once you hear that beep, it's going to analyze your skin to let you know how strong the current needs to be. So then once you hear that beep, that second beep, then we're going to just sit here, make sure it's in that, like in that collarbone right there, and you're going to let it sit for 2 beeps. So it's 10 seconds per beep. So this is the first pressure point right here. So then what we'll do is we'll come up to the second pressure point, which is the side of your nose right here. And you remember, wait 2 beeps. So that's 1. And that's 2. And you come to the side of your ear right here. I guess y'all can see. And then you come around to the back of your ear. And then you come right below your earlobe, kind of in that jawline. And this is draining all of your lymph nodes. And then you come under your jawbone, so in that fatty area under there. And then you move over to your chin. So you want to go vertical under your chin. And now you'll do your lymph drainage. So then you'll come up here, down, back of your ear, and then you'll come down, and then you'll just kind of go up and down here for a little while, and then you'll come back up to your nose, back up behind your ear, and drain here. And I think I need a massage because my neck is tight. And as long as you're hearing that beeping, that means that the machine is working. And you have a really big lymph node in your back of your neck, so that's why we're working this area more. And what you're going to do is you're only going to apply pressure when you're going down and when you're going up away from your nose here. So pressure here and pressure down and pressure down. So no pressure here going up here, pressure down going here. No pressure, pressure. No pressure, pressure. So you're draining it down out of here. And then no pressure going back up here. And then pressure going back away from your nose. And then pressure down here. No pressure going back to your ear. Then pressure here. So you're draining it. So you're draining it back here and then down away. So you're getting it out. You're getting it flowing. So we're really going to work this big lymph node back here because this is a really big lymph node and you want to drain this. And it'll get away, gets away all of the puffiness. It'll really contour your face. You can have a really great contour in here. It takes away all of the puffiness under your eyes. If you have any puffiness, in your cheekbones. This is great to do, especially if you have like a party to go to at night. And then once you hear those beeps, that means that it's over, and that you're done. So then you're done with this side. So, once you're done with this side, then you move on to the next side. So then you want to do the same thing on this side of your face. So I'll go ahead and do this side of my face, and then I'll come back for our next video. So I'm going to take you through all the steps with the facial spa, and we'll continue on. So we're going to go through 1 through 5 of the different modes of the facial spa. See you soon.